Hello students, in previous video we have completed Makarasana. Now the next asana is Shashakasana, means rabbit pose. This asana resembles with a sitting rabbit, hence its name. जिस तरह से खरगोश बैठा हुआ होता है और दिखाई देता है, उसी तरह से इस आसन को किया जाता है, इसीलिए इसका नाम शशकासन है. Benefits of that asana is brings luster on face, eyesight improves, alignments of the stomach are cured, mental problems are removed, helps in increasing memory, help in pacifying anger. And the contraindications of that asana is those who are suffering from neck, waist and hack ache should avoid this asana. Now here next is Supta Vajrasan. Supta Vajrasan. This asana is performed first sitting in Vajrasan and laying down. Hence its name. पहले वज्रासन में बैठना है आपको, उसके बाद लेट जाना है. So that is name as Vajrasan, Supta Vajrasan. The benefits of that asana is creates extraordinary flexibility in spine, empowers lungs and hearts. Possibility of alignments related to neck is minimized and improves eyesight. And the contraindications are: do not jerk the neck while laying down on back. Always take the help of hands, otherwise there is possibility of falling and head being hurt. Now the next asana is Singhasan, means lion pose. The benefits of that asana are it manages the muscles of it massages the muscles of neck, improves blood circulation, alignments of throat and lungs do not occur, makes fearless and voice becomes strong and sweet. Next is Ardh Matsya Dharna Asana, half spinal twist. As you look in the picture, after the name of the teacher of Gorakhnath Matsyendranath, this asana is called Matsyendra Asana. This simple form of this asana is known as Ardh Matsyendra Asana. Now the benefits of that asana is makes back muscle supple, spine becomes supple, straight and strong, the glands of abdomen becomes healthy, it regulates the secretion of adrenaline and thus is helpful in diabetes, tones the nervous system. And the contraindication are: do not use force in doing this asana, practice is according to one's ability. Next is Mandukasana, means frog pose. Manduka stands for frog. In this asana the pose resembles with the sitting frog, hence its name. And the benefits of that asana is elevates abdomen diseases, removes fat from the belly, brings luster on face, improves eyesight, digestive system is toned, helps in diabetes. And the contraindications are: those who are suffering from ulcer, hypertension, heart disease or having undergone abdominal surgery should avoid it. And now note for that asana is: while bending forward, feet and hips should not be raised, the forehead should not touch the ground, as you see in this picture. Next is Padangustasana, tiptoe pose. In this asana one has to sit on the toes, hence its name. The benefits of that asana is it helps to maintain brahmacharya, elevates piles, as it control emotions, help in concentration, empowers toes and feet, and increases physical strength, intelligence and luster. Next is Vakrasana, means spinal twist. In this asana the back is twisted, hence its name you see in this picture here. This is Vakrasana. The benefits of that asana is spine becomes supple, helps in removing constipation, improves digestive power and beneficial in diabetes. And the contraindications are: performs this asana as per one's capacity, perform this asana always on both sides and do not twist the back too much while performing this asana. Next is Garbhasana, means fetus in the womb pose. जिस तरह से एक fetus होता है माँ के पेट में, उस तरह वैसा आसन है. Benefits is calm down anger, it helps elevate nervous disorder, stimulates digestive fire, removes constipation, it develops sense of balance. Next is Konasana. You see in this picture here, in this it is a standing asana, it is variation of Trikona. Here the body resembles the angle, so hence its name. And next is Trikonasana. This one is Konasana, this one is Trikonasana. In this asana, body pose resembles as triangle, hence its name. The benefits are helps in backache, makes back supple, removes pain of ribs, empowers lungs, help in sciatica pain, height increases of young child. Next is Garunasana, means eagle pose. It relieves sciatica, it strengthens arm, calves, tones and nerves and muscles of the leg and develops balancing power of body. And the last is Shavasana, means corpus pose. Shav means dead body. In this asana one has to remain actionless like a dead body. Means इसमें dead body के जैसे बिल्कुल लेटना है. पूरे जितने भी आसन आपने किए हैं उसके बाद अपनी बॉडी को रिलैक्स करने के लिए ये आसन किया जाता है. And the benefits is relieves physical and mental tiredness, makes blood circulation normal and relieves insomnia and tension. So students, this is the asana. So you have to write all the answers of that questions.